I have an important announcement to make. I've recently discovered that the land that I live on, and the house, and the land is actually heaven on earth. I just wanted to share that with you guys. LionsGate stage at the foot of a 200-year-old white pine. There's the cabin where Uncle Fidel lives. It becomes many things when it's needed. This is my favorite apple tree on the property. Right here. There's the Winky. This stuff right here. Multiflora rose. This multiflora rose is unlike any plant. It has these extremely sharp, hook-esque, giant thorns, and the plant is so sprawly that when you try to interact with it, i.e. prune or remove, it always manages to get you. It like grabs on, and then you try to pull away, and then it just sends the other tentacles after you, and next thing you know, you're like frozen like a statue, like, someone help, ooh. It's really funny. But yeah, I've removed a lot of it, and I decided to leave some because I feel like it's here for a reason, and although I don't want it everywhere, I think it deserves to be on the property, so I've given it some places where it can really take over. Just want to show you this mowed field has caused dandelions to absolutely explode. Isn't that just freaking beautiful? This is the apple blossoming. One of my favorite campsites. We are available on Hip Camp. That's a quartz that I found in the creek. There's one of our composting toilets. I built it on wheels, so after you fill it up, you can just wheel it to your next hole. Perhaps plant a tree where it used to be. This is really one of my favorite things, guys. This is a willow tree. When I moved here, the willow tree was already separated and falling. There's the roots up in the air, and that other half had fallen in that way, probably because of erosion. This creek is changing all the time. So the willow's been falling, and I want to utilize the space. I don't want to remove the willow, so my good friend Keith and I last summer propped it up. We've got, a dozen or so props holding the tree. This is why I called the property Dragonwood. I found this on the land, this beautiful piece of river driftwood. So maybe y'all thought I was playing when I said I live in heaven, but clearly you can see now I'm not exaggerating at all. And I guess I just want to say that this place, this stewardship of LionsGate is one of the most profound experiences of my entire life. And it's a relationship, a marriage in a way. There's a lot of give and take, and there's a lot of responsibility, and there's a lot of just amazing gifts, and it's created a real sense of belonging and purpose for me. And I just want to share it with people. I want to share this place, and I want to share the magic that it's created in my life, and invite others to experience that magic and also cultivate a little of their own while they're here. So yeah, that's my land. That's LionsGate, and this is why I live in heaven. Thank you.